And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the find method. It can also be used on arrays, but this time it returns the first result of a test function that's true. Let's, for example, define an array with a couple of numbers, and I print it out to see if everything was set up correctly. And now let's say we want to find the first element in that array that's bigger than 20. We can see that would be 23 and fifth position, so index 4. Well, let's just say we don't know. So we can simply write a function for that and then store the results in a variable. Let me call that found. I define it now, let found equals. Now I use the array arr, and then I add the method .find. And inside of the method we'll define our function. Easiest way to write it, we'll make it an element, which are the individual element of the array, then equals greater than the element bigger 20. And now if we refresh our page, we get the 23. So the function goes through the array, tests every single element and sees if it's bigger than 23, and then finds the first instance, in our case the 23, and is then returned, stored in the found variable, and is printed out. If I make this bigger than 23, it will find a 37. If I make it 16, it will find the 17 in index 1, and so forth. And that's how I can use the find method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.